Japanese beetles are increasing in number in northeast Missouri. They've been reported in most of our northeastern Missouri counties, and they can be found on a wide variety of plants. They like ornamental plants like roses, and they can also be found on fruit plants like grapevines, blueberry plants, and also fruit trees like apples. The Japanese beetle is a small metallic green beetle with copper-colored wings and white tufts of hair. For a homeowner, the best control is to hand pick the beetles and to place them in a bucket of soapy water. This is a trap, a Japanese beetle trap, and it contains a pheromone. The pheromone actually lures the beetles into your garden. So this is not recommended for the homeowner. But here at the Adair County Extension Center, I've been trapping these for several weeks. And 2 weeks ago, I trapped 20 beetles. Just last week, I trapped 51 beetles. So we know that they are increasing in number. So homeowners need to be on the lookout for these beetles, as well as commercial producers. And there are some insecticides out there that are available if hand picking doesn't work for you. Liquid 7, liquid spectricide triazide will work if it needs to be applied in the evening when the bees are less active. These insecticides will kill bees. The liquid will dry on the plant, so it is less harmful than the dust. The dust is carried back into the hive when it gets on the hairs of the bee. So just be very cautious when using any kind of insecticide or chemicals in your garden or in your landscape. And with this horticulture tidbit, I'm Jennifer Schutter with University of Missouri Extension, located in the Adair County Extension Center in Kirksville, Missouri.